Grab a chair, there's plenty for everybody.
Leave room for me.
Pass the salt, please. Wow, I don't even know my own appetite.
Seconds, Grumpy?
Sure. Mind passing the grated cheese? Huh?
Why, Grumpy, you want thirds?
Oh, no thanks, I'm stuffed. I think.
Dopey was wondering if can stay the night.
Sure, but where's gonna sleep?
Good night.
Good night.
Good night. Good night.
That goes for me, too.
Still smells like a circus up here.
Everybody up! Breakfast time!
Whoa, Peaches! Nicely done, Peaches. Only took you 10 hours to cart me half a mile. You rest up. Aha! Elephant tracks going in, but not coming out. They're the 7D, but where's that elephant? He's got to be in there. He must have hidden it. I'll have to lure him out somehow. Peanuts! Get your peanuts here for elephants only.
Selling peanuts for elephants only when there are no elephants in Jollywood? That's just nutty.
Elephant only peanuts here. Hello, dwarf. I'm Goober. And if you'd like a bag of fresh roasted peanuts, just bring